Cars 3, Cal Weathers' retirement and Lightning's crash. Enjoy. Hey, Cal. Hey, I guess I'll see you in the Piston Cup race tomorrow. No, you won't, McQueen. No, you won't. Wait, what? What's going on? You know, I asked my uncle once when I was trying to stop. You know what he said? The youngsters will take it. We had some good times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think. Yeah. Goodbye, Cal. The next day. Wait, Axel, I thought you got replaced or something. Oh, well, how'd you know about the replacement? I was just watching you here for some reason. Oh no, Tim Treadless lost. He was going to be the guy who was always going to replace me, but we made a deal that at 3 laps for a race, and whoever wins gets to be the Nitro Wade racer. The person that loses has to quit racing, and I won, so I'm still the Nitro Wade racer. Cool. Hey champ, what is it, Storm? Where'd all your friends go? Who's that guy? Jackson Storm. He's one of the rookies. Final check of his tires as Storm settles into the pole position. Boogity, boogity, boogity. Listen this season with a great race. That's it, McQueen. Got it, Chuck. .40 laps to go, and race leader Jackson Storm will make his way on the pit roads with McQueen on his tail. A good stop here could mean the difference between victory and defeat. Come on, Chuck. Faster. Come on, I gotta get back out there before he does. Come on, Chuck, hurry up. Okay, you're good. Go. Sorry about that pause. What a pit stop by McQueen. Man, he just got the lead. But can he hold on to it? Alright, you're good. Go, Storm. Hey, McQueen, you alright? Hey, listen, McQueen, don't you worry. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement. Storm takes back the lead from McQueen. Oh my goodness, McQueen's fading. McQueen is fading. Fading fast. I'm gonna pass you, McQueen. No, you aren't. I can't catch up to him. Oh no. Oh no, my tire's gonna pop. My tire's gonna pop. No. Oh boy, I think I'm just gonna watch TV. Breaking news. What's it about? Tonight we have this is hello everyone. This is RSN Network News. Today we have experienced a crash of Lightning McQueen. He's unconscious right now, but he's still got an oil beep coming from him. Here's a photo of him right now. Holy goodness, what happened to him? People don't know what happened to him. We asked all of the pitties of what they know, and they all said that he just somehow swerved out and just caused himself in a bad situation. So tune in next week for more Piston Cup racing. Meanwhile, Jackson Storm, the new rookie on the track, is looking even faster than... Poor McQueen. The end.